Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Twitter in the Vivino app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon, then we tap on settings. Here if we scroll down under social networks we find Twitter. Now we just tap on Twitter and the app is going to redirect us, and then it's going to show us a few steps on how to connect to Twitter, which we just have to follow and complete the necessary data where it is required of us. And yeah, I guess that's basically pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.